avocado. Yum! Vegan egg salad, avocado. Let's cut open the avocado, see if we won. Yay! Looks like we won the lottery. Pretty good avocado. Now we're going to mash up the avocados nice and right. Mash it up. Now we're going to put about 2 tablespoons of vegan mayo and mash it. Black salt, which is actually pink, not to be confused with Himalayan pink salt. This is black salt, but the color of it is pink. Okay. Going to give it that sulfuric, eggy flavor. Now some relish. I made this myself. Some mustard. Now a little nutritional yeast. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Let's taste. Definitely giving eggs. Now pepper. And Himalayan pink salt. Now we're going to mix it. And we have our dressing. Very nice. Now the last step is tofu. And I'm just going to start pinching it in, because we're making vegan eggless salad or vegan egg salad. Now we're going to mix it. Now the tofu's kind of bland, so we might have to re-season. Let's taste. That's good. I'm going to put a little bit more black salt in it. Touch more of black salt. And a teeny bit, just like a half a teaspoon of mushroom seasoning. I'm going to put this over some rye toast and have a yummy sandwich.